Hello everyone. Today is day one.
Continue to stay tuned because
Got what you need
What?
to record this optimally.
we got the river now.
We're going up. Whoa. But I think
We have Tate,
Hi,
Ian, and Thomas,
Hey buddy.
and more on the way. We're at Walmart. Tate, why don't you tell them what we're doing here?
we're buying all the food and supplies we need that we didn't order off the internet.
Thomas, how you feel about it?
Not gonna lie, kind of nervous.
All right, everybody, we're getting our food.
So where would that be?
We've got peanut butter, tuna, ramen. Tate, explain the meals.
We are gonna cook ramen. We're gonna cook ramen.
We're gonna get the
cook
ramen,
chicken,
and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the chicken on fire.
We're gonna
Yes.
Put the fire in the chicken
can.
as it heats it up. We're gonna put it in the ramen, eat the ramen, and then we're gonna go fishing in 30-degree ice cold river water.
Yeah.
Are we thinking about stuff for other people?
What? Yeah. I said this is what I said. I said in the messages.
Hey Thomas.
If you,
They're not here.
Hey Dylan.
Well, I know David, but they don't hear us.
We have David now too.
The crew continues to gather the materials needed in order to explore and travel the mountains and wilderness of Fork Mountain. Let's see what's next on their journey.
We're going with a little breakfast for dinner here. David, how do you feel about the breakfast for dinner?
It sounds like a fun idea.
Sounds like a window.
Notice the get this on camera.
On
14 grams of protein.
That's impressive.
Do not open package. Do not cook over colored planes. Keep out of reach from children. Harmful if
so the only thing that we're missing is the projector for the Cat Returns, right?